Hey guys, and welcome to my new video. Today I want to talk in English, obviously. The topic is my first school day back in Germany. It was really weird because I first came to the school. I took the train and I'm a junior again because I had to take my junior year in the US. Now I have to take my junior year in Germany again because they say it's too easy in America. You have to take it again. So that's why I'm a junior with 17. Yay! Anyway, so I came to the, you can call it class teacher, but it isn't a class anymore. It's like an American high school. You have your own classes, but you have 12 or 15 classes. They're required, and then you can take additional classes. So every student has another schedule. I have to tell you that I didn't know anybody of the former sophomore students now junior grade. So I had to make new friends. I had to start all over again like in the US, but I thought it was easier to make friends in the US. Even though I was a little bit shy, and now I'm more outgoing. I'm pretty open-minded. I can talk to people easily, so that's not a big problem. But all the people seemed so reserved, and they are like typical German stereotypes, kind of. But I guess I made some connections to people. Math is pretty hard, but all the other classes are okay so far. I had math advanced, so we call it Leistungskurse in German, but it doesn't matter. It's just like an advanced or alpha class, I guess. In English class, I have to tell you, it's like story time. It's so funny because I used to listen to American people with an American accent. I know I still have a German accent, and I still make mistakes, but my English teacher is like, she has the strongest German accent you can imagine. And it's just so funny. I had to laugh when she first started talking, because I'm not used to the German accent anymore, because I don't hear my German accent. It's funny. We don't get a lot of homeworks. We have to study a lot. So that will take most of my time. As you might know, I do my driver license right now, and today I have my second driver lesson. I can show you how I do my driver license in Germany. It's a manual car, so you have to shift the gear, and it's so much fun. It feels like you're in a racing car. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked the video, and if you would like to see more English videos, then like the video or write a comment. You can write in German or in English. It doesn't matter to me because I understand both. See you, bye.